Okay, so we've got all that taken care of. So then what we can do is we've assigned all those, and you can quickly see here that for your source, ABC 2011, how you've assigned all your managers. You've now assigned the various roles and solutions, and we can go in and save these. Each one of these is a list, so we need to save them before we exit. It does not automatically save members that are inside of lists that are inside of other lists, which these are, because it doesn't want to take data authority away from you. So now we can do things like, let's see, you want to see your new sources and their roles. So we can come over here and drop on the roles, and you can see how many were architects, facility managers, etc. You want to see what solutions are involved? There you go. There's how these solutions were assigned. I'm going to go ahead and save these down here too. I forgot about those. And Ted. Okay. So now I'll close some of these up. Over a period of time, let's see, you were saying you wanted to potentially see, as people are added to lists, who and facilities managers. Okay, so let's go back to our roles. And let's say facilities managers. You want to see their basically their sources. So I can go in and pull up my sources list, and actually I could just do all the sources, and again use my space bar on this, and you can see the sources of when these particular people came to your booth in what year or whatever happens to be the scenario. So that was just really quick, and I guess the point is we try to use, anytime you're assigning a attribute, really you should think of it as a role, and I mean not as a role, but as a list. And using these various lists, you can drag and drop on each other, and have all sorts of intuitive insight into what your customer's base is like, or your prospect list is like, etc. One last thing is on your managers here, we dropped some new people into Steve's account, or into all their accounts really. And something that might be handy for you is, what if when you drop these in, since you assign these people to Ted, he has to be notified that they're now his new clients. Now I don't know if this is how your company works, but it's just an example here. So with that assumption that you do want to, what I did is I set up a calc mail, which is our way to email. So if we go up here and say look at search calc mails, you can see I have one for Ted Stevens. And so simply this calc mail says that when this list, Ted Stevens accounts here, when this list is added to, in other words, we added a new person to their account, it sends an email to Ted Stevens, and the title of the email is New Account Assigned. Ted, here are some new accounts. Remember to give them all a call. And we've got changed members down here, which will include all the people that we've added in the list at the bottom of this email. So instantly, once you've updated this particular list, each one of these people in the list will be included on the email with their names, addresses, and everything, so that he immediately gets notified that they're his account now. Okay, I hope that gives you just an idea, and of course, shoot me an email on any more questions. and hope to work with you soon. Thanks.